SafeSeal is a biodegradable dural substitute that promotes collagen tissue regeneration through the attachment and growth of cells. The product is a nanofiber membrane manufactured by medical-grade PLLA biopolymer with electrospinning technology, and it is a structure mimicking the extracellular matrix, ECM. The densely structured nanofiber network, with its low porosity, forms a stable physical barrier immediately after surgery by blocking the microleakage pathways of cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. Cells stably attach and expand on the ECM-like structure of the dural substitute, and collagen fills in to form tissue at the same time. A foundation for healing is established with continuity to the injury boundary. The membrane's CSF barrier performance was verified through water impermeability tests conducted at atmospheric pressure, and its excellent tensile and burst strength maintains robust, watertight closure. Furthermore, its excellent strength for suturing ensures stable surgical procedures, prevents tearing at the suture site, and firmly maintains suture knots. The membrane conforms to curved surfaces after hydration with high elongation or extensibility and can be handled flexibly when cutting or fixating, thereby reducing the risk of membrane damage. Preclinical animal test results showed that, in the collagen deposition, SafeSeal scored significantly higher than the negative control group in the same week on all criteria. Granulation tissues around the implant material increased higher than control group. SafeSeal prevented the dura mater form adhering to the brain due to a lower degree of connective tissue formation at the interface between the brain tissue and the implant. Specifically, it demonstrated superior dural regeneration, such as collagen formation, compared to the control group, and was confirmed to be anti-adhesive, thereby proving its excellent effect in maintaining continuity with the native dura mater. First, unpack the sheet from the package, immerse it in sterile saline to hydrate, and gently press for 2 to 5 minutes to confirm its translucent state. Place the sheet as an onlay over the defect site, maintaining an edge overlap of 20 to 30 millimeters. Suturing is performed using USP 40 and pinholes are spaced 2 to 3 millimeters away from the edge. Perform the Valsalva maneuver during suturing to check for watertight closure. SafeSeal product, boasting superior quality and performance, is offered in a wide range of sizes to suit various surgical environments. Electrospun nanofiber-based dural substitute, SafeSeal.